Maybe you're booked in Sky Class, dreaming of Star Class, or staring at a royal upbid? When we first looked at the jump from Sky Class to Star Class, it felt like a massive stretch. But when you factor in the Deluxe Beverage package and unlimited specialty dining, which can easily run you over $150 per person per day in 2026, the gap between Sky and Star closes fast. And it's not just the food. You've got the Genie handling everything. Those front row seats so you never have to rush to a show, and even free laundry, which is a total game changer for avoiding those extra airline baggage fees. So let's look at the perks that actually make this worth it, starting with the one that changes the whole trip. I read once that the Genie is the second most powerful person on the ship, and perk number 7 makes me think that's actually true. But first, perk number 1, the VIP Genie service. From reserving front row seats at every show, to priority escorts on and off the ship, this was our first taste of the magic. We were whisked on board and settled into our suite by 11 a.m. on day 1. Here are the other 6 perks that make Star Class truly worth it. Perk number 2 is one of the most massive savings. It is the Deluxe Beverage package. In Star Class, this is included for every guest in the suite. Normally, this package can cost over $100 a day per person once you add in the gratuities. But whether it's your morning Starbucks or fresh pressed juice from Vitality Cafe or premium cocktails up to $14, it's all covered. You also have a stocked minibar in your suite filled with your favorites, it's replenished daily, and you have a fridge to keep it all cold. And I also want to point out, you can have everything delivered to your room, so you don't even have to go out to get the Starbucks, the smoothies, whatever you want. You can ask your Genie and they will deliver it straight to your room for you so you can enjoy it on that beautiful balcony. And if you think the drinks are good, wait until you see the food. Perk number 3 is unlimited specialty dining. You can eat at almost any restaurant on the ship at any time for free. From the hibachi at Azumi to the high-end steakhouse at Chops Grill, the best food on the ship is all included in your stay. Specialty dining usually costs about $60 per person per meal, but in Star Class it's covered with a few small exceptions for the ultra premium experiences. And the best part, your Genie can arrange it for you in a matter of minutes. You can also have specialty dining delivered right to your room. Perk number 4 is high-speed VOOM Wi-Fi. In Star Class, the Surf and Stream package, which is the fastest internet Royal Caribbean offers, is included for every single person in the suite. You don't have to choose who gets to stay connected. Whether you're streaming movies, checking in at home, or in my case, checking to see if you have any new subscribers. And if you haven't yet, feel free to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming sanctuary stay on the Sun Princess and we can see how it compares. Perk number 5 is one that takes away that annoying extra charge at the end of your trip. Daily gratuities are fully included. Usually, Royal Caribbean adds a service charge per person per day to your account, but in Star Class, that's already covered. Now, I want to explain here, while those standard onboard gratuities are handled, it is still customary to tip your Genie personally for their service. That depends on each individual person and what you feel the value you got, and also anybody else that you want to tip along the way, but the standard onboard gratuities that are charged per person per day are covered. Not having those daily fees added to your final bill is a massive plus. Perk number 6, free daily laundry. You could travel with just carry-ons, skip the checked baggage fees, and come home with a suitcase full of clean clothes. And finally, perk number 7, exclusive access. This is where the Genie really shines. They can arrange private moments you just can't buy, like a private bridge tour to see how the ship is steered, or a one-on-one meeting with a real sailor, the star of the sea's chief dog officer. These exclusive memories are what truly make the sweet life unforgettable. The laundry, the drinks, and the specialty dining definitely provide incredible value, and for many, that alone is enough to make the jump from Sky Class to Star Class. But it's the Genie, the VIP escort for boarding and disembarking, the reserved front row seating at shows, and those one-of-a-kind exclusive experiences that truly put Star Class in a league of its own. To see exactly what the $20,000 gets you, click the video on your screen right now for my full tour of the Icon Loft Suite.